Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos. With CRO, it's not looking as or that good anymore. We've got two possible wave counts on this chart here. The first one is highlighted here. This is the bullish one where we say the low could already be in. Yeah, so just disregard the red ones. So we say, all right, the low was already in here. That is the bullish wave count, where the low was in at 9.8 cents. We then moved up in a way 1, 2, 1, 2. And still possible 1, 2 pattern. Even though this is now getting less likely, I think we should rather start to count this as a leading diagonal, which again is getting a bit messy, given that we have broken out of this trend line to the downside. We've also come down quite a lot compared to the previous low. That basically makes it very unlikely that we have a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup here. And I mean, as long as, strictly speaking, as long as here the 10.6 cent level is in place, we could still focus on the bullish scenario in practice. However, I think if this level drops here at 11.6 cents, then this head and shoulders comes into play. You can actually see that. One head and shoulders, which would eventually come down. If we just take a target of the head and shoulders to the breakout point, it could take us down to round about 7.2 cents. I think that would even be a target that would be quite realistic from a bearish Elliott wave count point of view as well. So again, these are the the two levels to hold really. 11.6 cents and then 10.6. Below 10.6, I think everything is lost for the bulls anyway. Now in the bearish case, and this is the red wave count here, we would say that all of this move here to the upside was only a wave 4. Would need to be here. It was only a wave 4. We are now coming down in an impulsive wave to the downside. Bit like I probably need to, I guess the high was here, so it would then be the beginning here of an unfolding 5-wave move to the downside. We could possibly even say, and that would then be in line with the Bitcoin bearish case, that all of this was a wave 1 to the downside here in yellow. Yeah. We are now seeing the wave 2 retracement. That should start now. Hasn't really started yet. So we'll see how that works out. If we go through straight away, that would be even more bearish. Normally what you would expect now in a wave 2 retracement, the price to come back to at least the 13.8 cent level. Yeah. In a wave 2, the 50% fib level is normally the minimum that you would expect for a wave 2. So here, somewhere here between there and 14.3 cents. Oh, let me just adjust that to the 50%. From the 50%, so from 13.8 cents all the way up to 15.1 actually, the 78.6% fib level. But that is only in the bearish count. And after that, we would then see a move to the downside. That would also complete a little bit more clearly the head and shoulders pattern that could then break down, and a target around 7 cents would not be unrealistic. So the chart doesn't look that good anymore. It is still possible to protect the bullish scenario here, but it is getting challenging. It is getting less likely. And the bullish count, by the way, would suggest that next we would need to move up in a wave 3 in an impulse that should take it above the 16 cent level. Because both movements are possible here, either the bullish one or the bearish one, we have to leave options open at the moment. But I think as soon as we get above the 15.2 cent level, the 78.6% fib level of the possible wave 1 here, if we go above that level, I think we can be more certain that actually a wave 3 is unfolding here, which could again take us into the region around 18 to 19 cents. And that's my update about CRO. Unfortunately, that strong retracement wasn't good for CRO. It wasn't good for the entire crypto market, to be honest. So it messed around with some of the bullish cases and scenarios. At the moment, we can still defend the bullish scenario, but the air is getting very, very thin. All right, and that's my update about Cronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.